Step 3, we will learn how to manage users, add, delete, assign rights, and transfer master admin. So click on gear icon again, manage users. This will bring you up to the manage user section. Right now I am only one showing as master admin, and master admin is the one who has the right to add, delete, and assign rights to user to start with. So you can click on add user, and then you have 4 choices to add. So for this first one, we will try the time tracking only. Click on time tracking only, click on next, and we will add some supplier. Let's say we will add supplier name Martin and add new, and he's a supplier, and save and click next, and his first name is Martin, last name let's say Marlaw, and email, and then click save. So you will have Martin here as a time tracker, and you have sent an invitation and you're just waiting for. So now when Martin goes, checks on his email, this will email that he will get. So he'll click on that email and then click on this, let's go. It'll bring him up to this screen. So Martin has to enter his information here, maybe his phone number and password and security question, and then create account. And after that, he will show up here as active. So next one, we're going to add user as a report only. Let's click on the report only, next, and click on, let's say, Mary, let's say Bayar, email address, test more, and then click save. So here Mary shows up as report only user invited, and Mary will get another invitation as well. So Mary goes back to her email, click on the link. Mary will have same information. So, and then after she enters all her information, she can create account. And she will show here as active. Next one, we're going to assign the master admin role from test more 871 to another person. So to do that, we're going to add user, and we're going to add company admin, and click and put the first name and then last name and then email, and then save. And then we're gonna go check the email, and then there you go, click on the email and then click on let's go. And then create your password and the create account. Once the person accepted the admin right, it will show as active. And so go ahead and click on this little arrow and click on Make Master Admin, and click Make Master Admin again, and it will send invitation to accept the Master Admin role. So you go back to your email again, and you go back and accept. And now if you go back to the Manage User, refresh it, this will show you as the Master Admin. Right there. So if you want to delete, you can delete user by clicking on this little arrow and click delete. And click delete.